Welcome to our guide on how to block a user from direct messages on Twitter using your PC. Keep unwanted messages at bay with these simple steps. To begin, open the conversation from the account you wish to block. Locate the conversation with the user you want to block from sending you direct messages. Next, within the conversation window, look for the information icon. Click on this icon to access more options related to the conversation and the user. Choose the Block Username option from the menu that appears. By selecting this option, you will prevent the user from sending you direct messages in the future. Finally, confirm your choice to block the user from direct messaging you. Twitter will ask you to confirm your decision to block the user, ensuring that you are certain about your action. By following these steps, you can effectively block a user from sending you direct messages on Twitter, using your PC, maintaining a more controlled and secure messaging experience. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you manage your direct message settings on Twitter with ease. Enjoy a more personalized and hassle-free messaging experience by utilizing the block feature to control who can message you directly.